What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have parts we're gonna throw at the Z. Instead of waiting around, we have YouTube magic, right? So let's get the parts showing up right now. Oh, there we go. Parts. Look at that magic. So what do we have here today for y'all? Let me show y'all what we got.
Out of this box right here is our PBM stuff. Look at that. Look at that. Woo, so much beefier. So if you can see, they reinforced their arm. They added like an additional plate right here. But yeah, so we're all good there. We're gonna throw that sucker back in there. Should be a quick and easy install for that. But that's that. And then we also got, what else we got in here? Extra tie rod. No explanation needed for that. Just another beefy boy tie rod. Hopefully this one lasts more than one event. Yep, that's all we have from PBM. They were really quick and fast at applying back to me and getting these parts out to me. And once you have the part itself, the SAK, the SAC Super Angle Kit already, it's easy to get replacement parts if something happens or breaks. You just hit them up. Tommy over there is an awesome dude, so make sure you hit up PBM and they'll get everything that you need for your suspension and for your ride. I'll link their website down below, so yeah, give them a try. Oh, this is what everybody has been waiting for. Hold on, before we get into that, let's talk about tires. I just picked up some, I couldn't get a hold of some Kendas. I wanted to get some Kendas for the front, but the time frame for me to get some fronts was not gonna be enough for the vent. So just for this event, or probably until these go bad, I'm gonna run these. What's these? Versilla or something like that. Versilla? I don't even know how you pronounce that, but that's what we got for the fronts. We'll just use them for the time being. But yeah, this is just tires. That's just what I needed. So this is what everybody's been wanting to see, is my new tires, right? I did go with something, like I said before, this is just temporary until I get something to replace what I really want for the front. Because, you know, for me, looks is everything. So, but anyway, so I went with these Avid ones wheels. Of course, they're gonna be black. So let's just crack them open and I'll show you what I got. What could this be? Oh, voila! I don't think these are nothing special. These the specs on these are 18 by 9.5. I think like they're plus 18. Of course, I'm probably most likely be running spacers with them, but I wanted to keep it something similar running with what I'm running, which are obviously black wheels like that. So it just kind of flows with the vehicle. But yeah, these are not bad. This is their AV06s. And quality looks pretty high. They're pretty light. It has a sticker that goes here, but I probably won't even run it. But yeah, that's how it looks. Hope y'all like the look of those wheels on the Z. I hope they look good. Today I'm gonna go get them, get those tires put on them at our boys at BPF Tuning. So we'll get that done, and yeah, let's roll out. Let's go get that done first, so we can move on right along. I had a membership at, what was it called, True Fit. Awesome gym, but just how my schedule is lined up right now, I can't like get to the gym, so that's why we're going to try to build a home gym. But man, this weather, look at this weather. I want to show you. This weather is straight nasty today. Like, I should be at home, chilling in bed, watching a movie or something. But
eat popcorn.
Eat popcorn, that's right. My son's over here chilling. What you doing, man? So anyway, yeah, we're heading to somewhere else. So I want to check out this equipment, be good for our gym and stuff. But yeah, this extra bonus for y'all. I'm just bringing y'all along my day and showing y'all what am I doing. I think we're going for gym stuff. Nordstrom's. It's bougie. I'll tell you what we're about to do, right, Ethan?
Yeah.
Yeah. looking at, it's called a tonal, T-O-N-A-L, tonal, I don't know. But it's pretty tight. My son filmed a little bit, so if it's shot shaky, sorry about that. But it's pretty dope. It folds away sleek. It has a lot of learning capabilities, which I like a lot. And it goes up to like 200 and some pounds, which is pretty awesome. It's pretty much all you need, right? Full body kind of weights, and it's very useful. So I think we might pull the trigger and get something like that. But yeah, until then. Well, yeah, let's go to the shop. It's time to get these tires mounted and get home because it's raining. Wheels all mounted up, nice and good. I didn't film there because Charles is a busy man and he has to get to work. So well, on another video, we'll plan to go into the shop and take a look at VPF and see what they got going on, future plans and whatnot. So got these mounted up. You know, once you get a new wheel, you just want to see how it looks mounted up on the car already. I might put one on just one side and see how it looks, just feel my curiosity of how it's gonna look. But yeah, here they are mounted up. I almost forgot to mention that I got a new front driver fender. Now we'll see how this fits. And what I did, I went to a local company here called APO that has we manufacture like fenders, body parts pretty much for OEM cars. But yeah, this was only like $50, $51, full metal. So still metal. So we'll see how the fit and finishes when I install it. But yeah, so got a fender here and we're good to go. Instead of buying one used for like $100 or something like that, 51 bucks. Yeah. Bam, there we go. I hope that was dramatic for y'all. All right, so here's the wheel in the front. It doesn't look too bad. I did place in my PBM spacer on there. Maxed it out, put all of them on there because it's not the kind of fitment I like. But I know I'm running like -7 degrees of camber in the front, so I'll pull some of that out and then level it up, and then we'll go to the alignment and see how that works. But yeah, that's how it looks. I don't think it looks too bad. I think it's gonna look pretty good once everything's lowered on the car and the alignment's kind of fixed in the front. But yeah, overall it looks good. I can't wait to build out the other wheels I have in mind for this front end. It's gonna look sick. So there you have it. We did a couple of things today, right? Picked up, got my tires mounted, showed you all the parts we got in that we're about to fix the Z. Showed you my fender, and also you all came along with me to check out new equipment that I want to plan to build for our little workout room, right? Slash all of the above. So yeah, that was fun. Decided to take y'all along, see how that goes. But yeah, tune in next time on the next video because the next one will show me installing all these parts, getting everything on the ground, and hopefully going to alignment shop as well. So back to the shop. But yeah, thanks y'all for watching. Continue to keep on liking and commenting and subscribing. Help this channel grow. Appreciate every single one of y'all. But until next time, peace out.